Guys, I can't do this. I'm not good at opening stuff.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Winnie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick unboxing video to share with you. If you read the title of the video and saw the thumbnail, you already know what it's about. I've had this box for a couple days now and I've been dying to open this up, but I wanted to wait and do it on camera with you guys. The box is pretty big and heavy for what the item actually is, and it was sent to me directly from my SA from the Louis Vuitton store. I honestly am not a huge collector of LV pieces just because I've never truly loved a design or bag from them, but I do respect that it's a very classic brand. Everybody knows it, everybody recognizes it everywhere, but I just tend to stay a little bit more minimal. So a lot of the pieces that I do have are actually in the damier because I was never a huge fan of the monogram until I saw the new Monogram Giant collection that they released this year. I believe it's a limited edition collection. Again, I don't know too much. I did not research this collection at all. I just saw it and it caught my eye. So anyway, I checked my store that was near me and they didn't have it available. I checked in all of Texas, it wasn't available, and it wasn't available online. And pretty much it's not available anywhere in the US. I think I saw a couple cities in other countries that may have had it. And I'm like, great, of course. The one thing that I actually liked and wanted wasn't available. So I decided to reach out to my SA that I worked with in the past, and I wanted to see if they would be able to get a hold of it. I knew it was going to be a long shot, but they came through and they were able to do a special order for me, and I got the item probably within a week and a half. And I did make them aware that I am making this video, so if you guys are interested in this item and you've been trying to locate one, my SA is willing to help. I'll be happy to pass on their information to you. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this box. I don't know. I think this is upside down. Guys, I can't do this. I'm not good at opening stuff. Okay, come on. Okay, let me just... Whoa! Ooh! So it's a box in a box. Oh, sorry. It's so pretty. It's so nicely packaged. I think my receipt is in here. I just saw it. Oh, it's on the ground. Yeah, so this is my receipt for my order, and the toiletry bag is $559, which I actually think is a really, really good deal for what it is. And I'm gonna show you guys how I plan on using it. And they did ship it to me complimentary, which is amazing. This is actually gonna be my first time seeing the bag in person. I've never actually seen the new collection in person before. I'm trying to do this without looking awkward, but let me just untie this. This is a little card. Let me just look at the card. What is this actually? I don't know what this is. It's a tiny envelope. It's a tiny envelope that says nothing. I think that was like a gift tag. I'm gonna put this back though, because I think it's cute and I like tiny things. Okay, so let's undo the ribbon. Okay, ready? Ta-da! Just kidding, it's in a dust bag. So it's a box in a box in a dust bag. But I do love this box and I'm gonna keep it. Here is the dust bag. Oh my god, it's so cute. And it matches my background. You can't really see the pink because it's so bright. But look at how pretty this is. So this is in the Rouge color. This also comes in a khaki colorway, which is kind of an army green where the red is, and then there's white and nude on it. But I just wanted something really bright and eye-catching for the summer because there's actually bright pops of color on each side of the bag. This is a pale pink. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's pale pink with the white giant monogram. There's a little bit of black and white on the pull tab. I love everything about this little toiletry bag. It's so cute. Okay, I want to open this up with you guys. There is gold hardware on this, and then the inside is also a light pastel pink. There's a little card in here. Here is also the little product number, but the inside lining of this is actually washable, so you can clean it with a damp cloth or something if you get it dirty, since it was intended to be a toiletry bag. There's no pockets or anything, it's just a nice open space. I believe this toiletry pouch is the exact same size as the Toiletry 26. I don't own it, so I don't know how it compares, but I will put the measurements for this guy in the description down below or on the screen somewhere. I think this is a really decent size, which is actually why I wanted it in the first place, because it is a little bit bigger than your regular clutch size. I have my pochette here, and just to give you a look at the size difference, it's almost like double the size, and it's a little bit wider as well, so you can fit a lot more into here. And then I also have my wristlet from my Neverfull. This is the wristlet that comes inside of the Neverfulls, and this is about the same size in length, but the toiletry pouch is a little bit taller, and obviously it's a lot wider. I do plan on using this just as a carrying clutch, and I can just like tuck it under my arm or just hold on to it. I think that's really cute. But what I really wanted to do was put a strap onto this and make it into like a crossbody, or just have a strap so that I can wear it in a different way. I did see a lot of other people transforming their little toiletry pouch into bags that way, and my pochette has a strap that can be removed on it, so I could actually just use this chain strap if I wanted to. The only problem with this is I feel like the chain is a little bit too thin for the look of this bag. So I did go ahead and order a separate one on Amazon, and this is what it looks like. It's a lot thicker, as you can see. I did get it in gold because the zipper on the bag is gold and I wanted it to match. And I believe this is called a curb chain. I can't remember for sure, but I will have details on this chain linked down below if you're interested. It's actually pretty heavy, and I like that it lays flat, whereas actually the pochette chain is like kind of like a ring chain, so you can kind of feel it against your skin a little bit. So it's actually really nice and smooth feeling. And I also really like the clasps on these. I wasn't sure if the gold was gonna look a little too fake and chintzy, but it actually feels really nice. Here's what it looks like next to the LV chain on this side. I feel like it's pretty close. Like, it's not extremely yellow and fake looking. It's actually pretty comparable. And I just want to show you guys really quick how you can attach the chain to the bag, because there's not actually anything you can hook it onto. And this is the easy way to do it. So take your chain and you're going to loop it through underneath the opening of the zipper. So you can see it's going through the opening of the zipper, and you can just hold it there. And then on the other side, all you're going to do is just attach the clip onto the end of the other clip, and that's pretty much it. The chain is just sitting in there, and you can zip it closed and your chain will be attached. It is a little bit tricky this way because it is being held by your zipper, so whenever you want to like open and close it, you want to make sure the chain doesn't come off. But otherwise, this does work. I'm just gonna put it on really quick so I can wear it crossbody, and this happens to hit me right at the hips, or you can obviously just wear it on your shoulder just like that. This is not really my favorite way of wearing it, just because it does kind of pull open the zipper sometimes. So I looked up another way of attaching the chain to the bag, and you can actually just get a very simple bag insert like this. I got this on Amazon. This was like $14. They come in all different kinds of sizes. They make them for all kinds of bags. So just find one that fits the pouch. This one happens to have a ton of pockets and zippers and stuff all over, which is good if you want the organization aspect of it. It also has an expander. You can unzip and it actually gets even wider. But what you do need, and what you want to look for when you're getting one of these bag organizers, are the two rings on the sides. So there is like a key ring on one side and another little ring on the other side. You need your strap to attach to these two rings on the ends. So this is a little bit too big to fit inside of this nicely. It's like a little bit scrunched up, but I've actually already gone and ordered a different one that's made to fit inside this bag specifically. I found it on Etsy, and it's a felt liner, so it'll fit perfectly and very smoothly. It's very simple. It just has a couple of pockets, and then of course the rings on both sides for your chain. But I'm gonna go ahead and attach the chain to this one just to see how it looks. So again, the organizer is inside, and then you want to pull the chain through underneath the zipper. Once you have it pulled through, just attach it to the ring on the organizer inside. Just gonna pull it up to make it easy. stick it back inside, and then take the other end of your chain. And I'm gonna pull up this organizer, snap it on, tuck it back in there, and then you can zip it closed. So the chain just sits comfortably within this opening. The same with the other side. So this is what it looks like. I'm bummed that this is a little bit too long. Otherwise, I think that it would have worked. But regardless, I am still in love with this toiletry pouch. I think it is so, so cute. And I feel like it's just so versatile. You can use it in a lot of different ways. So for the price of this item, it is definitely worth it. So that is my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will leave all of the links and information down below to everything that I mentioned. If you are looking to get your hands on this item, you can reach out to me on my Instagram. You can DM me or just email me down below. All of my information is linked down below for you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!